Hi everyone, I'm in Siem Reap, Cambodia, and that's where Angkor Wat is. It's about just a few kilometers from Siem Reap. And actually I met some of my university students at the airport, which was funny, so we talked for a bit. And these students, good students. Anyway, one of them was a very good student, and he's fluent in English. And it just reminded me that if you learn English, God, you can use it pretty much everywhere. You know, even in Cambodia, in Siem Reap, most people speak at least a little English, so it's really easy to get around if you can speak some English. And yeah, so just such a good language for travel. So keep trying to learn. Don't give up. Thank you for watching.